Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 12.
In the next reaction of preparation of alcohol, we are going to study the preparation of alcohol from alkenes. Now, these compounds are known as alkenes. This bond have alkyl group or long chain or some other groups in it, and there are a double bond in between two carbons. So this kind of organic compounds in which this kind of portion is present, this kind of group known as alkene. When alkene is subjected to H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 in aqueous medium, that is in water solvent, in that case the reaction that happens is the addition of water. Now addition of water that will happen is by first one bond from this double bond will be opened. When one bond from a double bond opens, two bond is produced onto the two carbon that is present in the double bond. As a result, if one bond I am going to open up, then two bond on the two carbon is opened, and water will be added as H plus and OH minus, because these are the two parts present in the water. H2O molecule, there are two parts, H plus and OH minus. One will be added to one adjacent carbon and another will be added to the another adjacent carbon, producing a compound or hydroxyl compound or alcohol. This is a general reaction. Now let's take an example of an compound like this one, CH2 double bond CH2. Now this is a symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical alkene of those alkene, if a mirror is placed in the between of a double bond, the two part on the both side are symmetrical with each other. This is a symmetrical alkene. So when you are subjecting the symmetrical alkene, ethylene, aqueous H2SO4 medium, water will be added, and as a result, if hydrogen is added to this hydrogen, it will have CH3, single bond CH2 and OH will add to this one. It will produce ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Now let's take an example of another alkene. This is propene, prop1ene. Now this is an unsymmetrical alkene, because if you placed a mirror in the double bond, in the middle of double bond, the two part that we will have are not symmetrical with each other. That's why this kind of alkene are known as unsymmetrical alkene. In unsymmetrical alkene, the two double bonded carbon are quite different than one another. Like in this one, this carbon has only one hydrogen and this carbon has two hydrogen in it. That was different compared to the symmetrical alkene. In the both double bonded carbon, two hydrogen was present in that symmetrical alkene. So now when this is subjected to acidic hydrolysis, this is known as acidic hydrolysis, H3O plus. This can also be written like this, H2SO4 slash H2O or H3O plus, acidic hydrolysis. When this is subjected to acidic hydrolysis, this is also written like this one also, H plus slash H2O. This is also written like this. Then if hydrogen H plus CH3, if the hydrogen is added to this carbon, then this carbon will become CH2 single bond, and OH will in that case will be added to this terminal carbon, and it will have a structure CH2OH, propane 1-ol, propanol, or would add in a reverse way. That is, the hydrogen will add on the terminal carbon, that will make this terminal carbon as HCH3 from CH2, and the OH group will add on the middle carbon, that will make the group as CH3CHOH CH3 isopropyl group. So these two products that we get by the addition of water, acidic hydrolysis, are quite different from one another, and it is found that both of these actually produces, but the percentage of both of them are not same. One produces in a predominant amount and one produces in a lesser amount. So a mixture of product is formed when an unsymmetrical alkene is subjected to acidic hydrolysis to produce alcohol. Mixture of alcohol is produced. Now in the mixture of alcohol, one is produced in a predominant amount. Now which one is going to produce in a predominant amount? That is followed by Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. Which is saying that the negative part of the reagent will add to that double bonded carbon which have a lesser number of hydrogen. The negative part of the reagent will preferentially add to that double bonded carbon which have a lesser number of hydrogen. Out of these two double bonded carbon, the middle carbon have a lesser number of hydrogen. So the negative part of the reagent, which is H2O, that is being added, the negative part is OH. So OH will preferentially add to this middle carbon, and hydrogen in that case will add to the terminal carbon preferentially. Now preferentially, as OH is added to this middle carbon, the product that is formed due to this addition is this one. That's why preferentially this one will produce in a higher amount. So this one is the major product, and this one will be produced in minor amount. So this one is minor product. Let's recap this entire thing in a nutshell. What I'm saying, alcohol can also be produced from alkene when alkene is subjected to acidic hydrolysis by addition of concentrated H2O in aqueous medium. When alkene is added to aqueous hydrolysis, addition of water is happened. Addition of water. Water is the reagent which has two parts, hydrogen H plus, OH, OH minus. Hydrogen will add to one carbon of the double bonded carbon, and OH will add to the other carbon of the double bonded carbon. When symmetrical alkene is taken, as the both double bonded carbon are symmetrical with one another, you add OH to any of the carbon, the product that will be produced are same. But when you are taking alkene, an unsymmetrical alkene, both double bonded carbon are not symmetrical in nature. Then a preferential or mixture of product is formed, in which Markovnikov rule will follow, and that will produce a major product in a major amount, in which OH group will be added to that double bonded carbon, in which the hydrogen is the number of hydrogen is less. Like in this case, the hydrogen present less in this carbon, middle carbon, so the OH will add preferentially on this carbon, producing this compound in major amount, and this as a minor amount. Let's try to study the previous two chemical reaction mechanistically. The first chemical reaction that we had studied was this one. We had taken ethylene and subjected this ethylene with acidic hydrolysis. And alcohol was produced. medium, a lots of H plus is present. Now this double bond will be open up via this carbon to accept this H plus from the medium. As a result, CH2, CH3 will be formed, and as this double bond is opened up via this carbon, CH2 carbon, so this CH2 carbon, left hand side terminal CH2 carbon has released this double bond, so a positive charge will be produced on this carbon. Now in the medium, water is present, in which oxygen with a lone pair is present. Oxygen, by donating one lone pair to this carbocation carbon, will form this compound. In the final step, hydrogen H plus will be released and CH3 CH2OH will be produced. Now, in the beginning of this reaction, H plus was used, and after the reaction, H plus was again retained back into the reaction mixture. So the H plus in this entire reaction is used as a catalyst. That's why this kind of reaction is also termed as acid catalyzed hydrolysis, in which water molecule has been incorporated at the addition of OH has happened by some hydrolysis, and acid as used as a catalyst was react in the initial stage of the reaction and at the last stage of the reaction was again written back into the reaction mixture. Now in this reaction, this is a completely addition reaction that is happening, but this addition reaction is two-step reaction, in which in the first step formation of a carbocation is there, and in the second step atom of a nucleophile, which in this case is H2O, is followed. The first step is the slow step, and the second one is the fast. And as we know that slow state determines rate of the reaction, that's why this is also rate determining step or RDX of the reaction. That is the first step. The carbocation formation step is the rate determining step. The entire reaction of this, the entire reaction of formation of alcohol in this type of mechanism is governed by only the first step, that is the carbocation formation step. This is the mechanism of the acid catalyzed hydrolysis of ethylene to produce ethyl alcohol. Now let's study mechanistically the second reaction. The second reaction was propane was taken and it was subjected to acidic hydrolysis. Mixture of product was formed. In which this one was major product, OH in the middle carbon and OH on the terminal carbon was the minor amount. Now let's see how mechanistically this is formed. In the medium, H plus is present, and this double bond, if opened via this terminal carbon, in that case the terminal carbon will accept this H plus and the carbocation will form onto the middle carbon. In the next step, water via lone pair of oxygen attack the middle carbon, carbocation carbon, and produces this particular compound. which by releasing one H plus back to the reaction mixture produces the alcohol. Now, this entire reaction happens in a second pathway also. That is, instead of this terminal carbon, if the double bond opens up through this middle carbon, then the hydrogen will be accepted by this middle carbon and the carbocation will be formed on the terminal carbon, which will give this carbocation, and in the second step the water will attack this terminal carbocation carbon, producing this compound. Then this compound, by releasing one H plus back to the medium, produces this alcohol. Now, in both the mechanistic pathway, the first carbocation is formed. In the first step, the carbocation is formed in both mechanistic pathway. In this pathway, 2 degree carbocation is formed. In this pathway, 1 degree carbocation is formed. We know that the stability of carbocation follow the order 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. That is, the stability of 2 degree carbocation is much more compared to 1 degree carbocation. So, in reaction medium, preferentially in the first step, this 2 degree carbocation will be formed much more compared to this 1 degree carbocation. As a result, the product formed from this 2 degree carbocation will be much more in compared to the product from this 1 degree carbocation. That's why this is the major product and this is the minor product. As this one is more stable carbocation and this one is less stable carbocation.